Hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to use new Expensify. We'll walk through how to switch from the classic Expensify view to the redesigned new Expensify experience. This is a quick transition, but I'll point out what to expect so you feel confident the first time you open it. I recommend doing this on a desktop browser the first time so you can clearly see the full navigation and make sure you're already signed into your Expensify account before you start. Begin by heading to the Expensify homepage. If you like, you can go directly to expensify.com/inbox. This takes you to the central hub where your to-dos and notifications live. Think of this as the control center for reports, receipts, and approvals. Let the page load completely so the left-hand navigation appears. That's where you'll find the option we need. If the page seems out of date, a quick refresh often helps, and using a modern browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari will give you the smoothest experience. Now, look to the left side of the screen for the navigation panel. You should see an option labeled Try New Expensify. Depending on your account and role, it might be near other primary items like Inbox, Reports, or Settings. The wording is typically clear, and it might include a small badge or highlight indicating it's the new interface. If you don't see it right away, slowly scroll the sidebar or collapse and expand any sections to reveal it. If it's still missing, it's usually because the feature hasn't been enabled for your workspace or your admin has limited access. In that case, it's worth checking with your team so they can turn it on for you. When you spot Try New Expensify, go ahead and click it. The app will switch you into the new experience. This may happen in the same tab or in a refreshed view. Expect a more modern layout and, in many cases, a brief in-app tour. You can skim that tour to get oriented. You'll still find your core tools, expenses, reports, cards, and approvals, just presented in a streamlined way. If you're testing it for the first time, take a moment to look for the main navigation, search, and your inbox, since that's where you'll manage most daily tasks. And don't worry, if you prefer the classic layout, you can usually switch back from the same left navigation at any time. That's it. You've moved from the classic view to new Expensify. Explore the layout, and when you're ready, continue your usual workflow right from the new interface.